Hi, TR here. This video is about the Reflection Point 2 assignment. The Reflection Point 2 is your culminating activity or assignment for the Module 4. You'll notice that we expect you to use the Reflection Point 2 template, and I will get to that shortly. And these are the questions that you will see in the template, what you've learned about yourself so far that will guide your career planning, how your planning for the future is connected to wellness, and trust me, it is. What is one goal I can envision for myself after high school, and what are the specific actions I will take to get there? This is the link to the rubric. I will be showing that sharing that with you. Make sure you upload your file to the assignment folder Reflection Point 2. Be sure to not use email to submit this assignment to me. And on this page it says if all assignments in Module 4 have been submitted and a mark has been given for each assignment, Quiz 4 will now be available for you. Many of you submit assignments and then don't bother to see if there's been a mark, and so needless to say, the Quiz 4 will not be available for you until it is marked. So extremely important that you read the comments that I make for you in the assignments. Now, the Reflection Point template looks like this. It's a PowerPoint. Quite snazzy, I gotta admit. Pretty colorful. Be sure you put your name, please, here. The second slide talks about what you've learned about yourself that'll help your career planning, and hint, be sure to include highlights from the surveys you took in this module. Okay, it should be one paragraph, 7 to 10 sentences or bullets. That's your first slide. Your second slide, you talk about planning for your future, how that impacts your wellness. You give two personal examples for the impacting of your wellness, and use these areas here to do that. And the third slide, the fourth slide in the package, but the third slide, this is a SMART goal. I, student name, will get a Rutherford Scholarship by achieving an 80% average in 5 courses offered at my school by June the 30th, 2021 to receive the maximum grant of $2,500. That's a specific SMART goal. This is the SMART goal right here. Below, these are the components that make a SMART goal. Some of you think that the components are the SMART goal. No, this is the SMART goal, and these are the components that make this goal a SMART goal. So, is it specific? I will get a scholarship is not specific. I will get a Rutherford Scholarship worth $2,500. That's specific. Is it measurable? I will do my best. That is not measurable. I will achieve a minimum of 80% on 5 designated courses. That's measurable. Achievable. I work hard on courses. No. I currently spend 1 hour in the Success Center reviewing notes and test questions Monday to Thursday. So if you're doing this, then the likelihood of this is much better, obviously. Realistic. Realistic. In grade 11, my grade average was 50%. Well, I mean, it's possible, but more than likely, not likely. If your grade average in grade 11 for at least 5 courses is 80%, yeah, okay, that makes this a realistic, reasonable kind of a goal. Even if you had like 75%, it's possible if that 75% was because you weren't putting the necessary effort into your courses. So it is possible with the 75%. And timely. I will achieve this goal next year. That's not timely. Timely means you give an exact date. By June the 30th, 2021, you're going to achieve that goal. This is a SMART goal. These are the criterion that make a SMART goal a SMART goal. This is not in itself a SMART goal. So if you give me this and say, well, this is my SMART goal, no, this is your explanation of why it is a SMART goal. This is your SMART goal. Okay? And lots of students have serious challenges understanding that. I'm not sure if they're not watching the videos or what exactly is going on, but it's pretty clear. This is a SMART goal, and this tells you if it is a SMART goal. The next slide, you do your SMART goal, and you put your name here. So delete this, put your name, and then add your SMART goal. Be sure to fill the 5 criteria below to make sure that it is a SMART goal. Okay. Google SMART goals. Well, we did a SMART goal earlier in Module 4, and I gave you a link for the SMART goals. You can Google SMART goals if you wish to take a look, to get a better look. And the last slide is 5 specific actions that you need to do to reach your goal. The more detail you give, the more real you make it, as with everything that we've done, the more marks you will receive. And that is your reflection point 2. Okay, the rubric. The rubric looks like this. If we start at the basic achievement, we say the basic analysis of selected wellness dimensions and connection to career pathway earning. A few sentences may or may not get you a basic achievement, a 2 out of 4. Here, the basic connection is created between self-knowledge, career pathway, goals, and strategies. Career pathway goal, that's your SMART goal. And your strategies is also part of that in the development of that goal. This is your rubric. This is what I will use to mark your assignment. Now, finally, in our discussion, remember, it needs to go to the Reflection Point 2 assignment folder. And if you have all assignments, then you will be given access to quiz number 4. Any questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know. And I'll do my best to either direct you to where you need to go, or I will give you a pretty direct answer. Anyways, take care. Enjoy the snow. That's sort of not so good. And hopefully we'll get some sunshine and we'll start seeing some green grass with all this. Have a good day.